In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a PDF in Google Drive. If you've ever opened a PDF and found that it's sideways or not properly aligned, this simple method will help you fix that using tools available directly within Google Drive. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to adjust the orientation of your PDF and save it in the correct format. To get started, open Google Drive in your web browser and locate the PDF file you want to rotate. Once you find the file, right-click on it to open the Options menu. From there, select Open With and then choose Google Docs. This step is important because it allows Google Docs to convert your PDF into an editable document, giving you access to additional formatting tools. After the file opens in Google Docs, you'll be taken to the editing interface. At the top of the screen, click on the File menu to reveal more options. From the drop-down list, scroll down and select Page Setup. This is where you can adjust how the document is displayed and formatted. Inside the Page Setup menu, you'll see an option for orientation. Here, you can switch between portrait and landscape modes depending on how you want your document to appear. Choose the orientation that correctly aligns your content. This effectively rotates the layout of your document so it appears properly when viewed or printed. Once you've selected the desired orientation, apply the changes and return to the main document view. To save your updated file as a PDF, go back to the File menu, scroll down to Download, and then choose PDF Document. Google Docs will then convert your adjusted document back into a PDF and download it to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may automatically save to your default Downloads folder, or you may be prompted to choose a location. After the download is complete, you can open the file to confirm that the orientation has been corrected. And that's it. You've successfully rotated a PDF using Google Drive and Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.